In the beginning, the world was wild and untamed. Rivers carved valleys through mountains, and endless forests stretched as far as the eye could see. Humanity was small, fragile, and unknown. People lived in tribes, hunting and gathering, learning from the land, and sharing stories around flickering fires. Every sunrise brought survival, and every night whispered mystery. Then, slowly, seeds were planted, and animals were tamed. Humans discovered the power of patience and planning. Villages appeared, simple yet full of life, and communities began to grow. With time, knowledge expanded. Languages formed, art was painted, and traditions were born. Music echoed in caves, and wisdom was passed from elders to children. Civilization took its first steps. Trade routes emerged, towns flourished, and cities rose from fertile plains. Stone buildings replaced huts, and marketplaces buzzed with activity. Humanity learned to shape the world, not just survive in it. Laws were written, leaders guided, and communities united. Science, art, and culture flourished. Humanity's story was no longer just survival, it was creation, innovation, and hope. Yet, every step forward came with challenges, storms, conflicts, and the unknown. But with courage and collaboration, humans overcame obstacles and reached new heights. Civilization was not built overnight. It was the dream of countless generations, the sum of small victories, shared knowledge, and relentless curiosity. From firelit caves to sprawling cities, from whispers in forests to voices echoing across continents, the story of humanity is the story of civilization itself. And still, it continues. Every child, every idea,